dead are always with us. They move just beneath the surface. For a few decades, more or less, we live on the surface in our bodies. Then our organs give out, and we come to know the profound intimacies of the dead. I say the fear of being touched, the fear of getting close, the fear of death are all nothing more than the fear of human intimacy. During sex, we are intimate with one other living person, but in death, the moment of death makes us intimate with all who have gone.
Your love can crush me. Who's gonna be next? What's it gonna take? What do I have to say to make a cycle break? I can always see what's inside your head. Like the last thoughts across the mind of the dead. Affection is abuse. I say you look confused. What do you expect? There's nothing left. That love can kill. There's nothing left. That love can kill. There is nothing. Everything I touch turns to shit. Why do I live? I should quit. Everything I love all falls apart. When will it end? What did I start? Try to open doors, but they're sold or they close. Looking through their eyes, no one knows. Did they ever even have a chance? No, there's nothing left. That love can give. There's nothing left. That love can give. There's nothing left. In the shadow. In the shadow. That's how it happens. Avalanche of this crush. It could have been you or any one of us. It wasn't the first. It won't be the last. Some people will be a victim of the